Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at test 3F of our series, which is quantitative steps to quantitative reasoning. And we have this exercise. And this example, we need to understand the operations behind this example. Then we can now use this to solve the exercise that follows. Now, we are given 64 here. We have 8, 8, 79, and 7. Now, it is easy. 8 multiplied by 8, that's 64. 7 multiplied by 7, that's 49. So 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9. So that is perfectly clear. Now, how do we get this 79 and these other numbers? 8 plus 64 plus 7. 8 plus 64 plus 7. That gives us 79. 7 plus 49 plus 6, that gives us 62. 3 plus 9 plus 2, that gives us 14. So to get what is inside this triangle, we need to add the three numbers that are on the edges. So let us take that understanding to our question. We have 5, 5, 25, 34. So for us to get this unknown, that will now be 5 plus 5, that is 30. When we subtract it from the 34 that we have here, will give us what we have here. Because remember, we're adding everything on the edges to give us what is inside. So our answer here is 4. For the next one, when we add everything together here, 36 plus 6, that is 42, plus 5, that gives us 47. So for the next one, so we'll multiply this together, gives us whatever that is here. So 2 multiplied by 2, that gives us 4. You can also check from this side, 2 plus 1, 3. When you subtract it from 7, it gives us 4. So to the next one, we have 5. If you divide it by this, 25, it will give us 5. So our answer here is 5. Let us check from the other side. 5 plus 5, that is 30. 30, you subtract 30 from 35, that gives us 5. So 5 is our answer. So the next one, 4. Find the square root of 4, or 16 divided by 4 gives us 4. So our answer here is B, which is 4. So what is here is the same thing as what is here. And the next one, 81 plus 9. That is 90 plus 8, that gives us 98. So our answer here is B. So for any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. So I come your way next time. Please be good and remember to hit the subscription button to this channel. Thank you very much and be good.